So as many of you guys know, the herb garden completely failed. I didn't get any results at all. I think I started it too early in the year. And I also think I just overwatered and put too many seeds and all the above, really. I messed up. I didn't know what I was doing. And I actually started listening to the podcast that's been helping me a lot. And I'm actually going to restart it completely. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm going to get new seeds. I'm going to get new pots. I have a lot of potting soil right now, and I'm gonna do it the right way. I know, that's crazy, doing something the right way. Also, this weekend, I will be heading to the farm for the first time this season. I'm gonna be making like some sort of day trip vlog style video where I'll be showing you guys around, getting the lay of the land. It's not going to be a full-fledged tour yet. That's not coming until this May when I actually move to the farm. Also this May, you'll be expecting to hear from me about a posting schedule and a Patreon. I did, however, start a TikTok. You could follow it here. And I did also try to make an Instagram account, but for some reason Instagram's cock blocking me, so I'm gonna have to just completely start a new whatever. I'll talk about it when I have an Instagram. Fuck Twitter, I don't care about that shit. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. We have 285 subscribers. That's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And thank you guys so much. Please continue watching. I'm sorry that this is my first video in 2 weeks, but it's been a hectic 2 weeks. So thanks for sticking around.